Alright, and there we are. Suntube 2 installation almost done. So this thing's going to kick off next week. Got a bit of sunshine on the way. Hey guys, what we have here is a Suntube 2 installation. We're running at about 120% coverage of the pool. And the reason we've done this is for two reasons. Firstly, one, the level of the solar is well below the level of the pool, which is sitting roughly about here, and we'll go and take a look at that in a minute. So the first thing is the pressure is really critical. Suntube 2 will deal with this pressure, no worries. And the second reason we went for the 120% of the coverage is to compensate for the lack of a cover. So we're, in this particular instance here, this pool really doesn't deserve having a cover. So we're putting a little bit more solar heating up there, and we're using the Suntube 2 to compensate. Sunbather pool solar heating and covers. For more information, give me a call, Justin, on 021 0233 2600. Send me an email, justin@sunbather.co.nz, or visit our website for more details.